and then proceed to Site Settings. Here, make sure the JavaScript option is set to Allowed. If you're on Firefox, you'll need to go to Options, then Privacy and Security, followed by Permissions to select JavaScript. For those using Safari, open Preferences, go to Websites, and look for JavaScript in the left-hand menu and make the necessary adjustments. If Edge is your browser of choice, you'll find what you need by going into Settings, selecting Cookies and Site Permissions, and adjusting JavaScript settings there. Finally, for the older Internet Explorer users, find your way to Tools, go to Internet Options, then the Security tab where you'll select Custom Level in order to enable the Active Scripting option. Next, let's consider the browser extensions installed on your device. It's known that certain extensions, particularly those focused on ad blocking and privacy, might interfere with JavaScript functionality. To troubleshoot this, try disabling these extensions temporarily and check if the issue is resolved. Another useful trick is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Cached data can sometimes cause unexpected conflicts, and by clearing these, you can give your browser a fresh state to start from. This simple refresh can often resolve issues that seem otherwise insurmountable. If you're still encountering problems, you might want to experiment with a different browser. This can be particularly telling if you discover that the problem is isolated to a specific browser, which can offer clues for further troubleshooting. Additionally, there's the consideration of your VPN or antivirus software. In some instances, these can create complications with website functionality. By temporarily disabling them, you might unveil a newfound solution to a persistent problem. Finally, if you've diligently worked through all these steps and find yourself still facing challenges, it may be time to reach out to GoDaddy's support team. Their expert guidance can provide insights that are unique to your account or help identify any server-side issues that might be present. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to ensure that JavaScript is enabled and functioning properly, allowing you to enjoy full access to your GoDaddy account and all its services. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck.